Canis, Secabes, Fedis, Fodes, Fodes, Федис, Федис, Федос, Федоро. Как все религиозно, да? Ах, да. Вечная борьба добра и зла. Святого и грешника. Но у тебя все равно никакой радости.
Hello everyone, this is Andrew from Moscow, and today we have another comparison video. Today we have 2017 Neca's Xenomorph from Covenant. Okay, I've already reviewed this figure before. See my Alien playlist for a full review of this figure with the unpackaging. And today we'll just make a quick comparison video. This time we have the original version to the right and the KO version or replica version to the left. Okay, let's look at them more closely. Okay, left is original, right is a knockoff version. First of all, I want to say that the original is made from a more soft material, and the fake version is made from a harder plastic. Also, original has very stiff joints, and the knockoff version has very loose joints. Okay, knowing this, let's start from the head. The original has this translucent dome, as you can see, and the fake version has totally black dome. It is not translucent, as you can see. Okay, from this side, the fake version has this very bright white colors here in these stripes, and the official version has this more cream color in this area. Okay, left is original, right is knockoff version. You can see that these vines on the fake version are made in blue or gray blue, and on the official version they made a little bit in different color. Okay, let's look inside the mouth. By the way, this time they copied the O shape of the mouth in this area. Let's look on the very long tongues. Okay, here you can see the difference in paint. Very good painting on the original, very bad on the knockoff version. From this side, left is original, right is knockoff. Okay, this cool details on the original, and it is totally deleted on the fake version. Very thick painting on the fake version. Okay, let's look inside the mouth. Very glossy black paint on the original, and pretty mattish paint on the fake version. Let's look on the closed mouths. Okay, here's difference in painting. Very glossy silver paint on the fake version, and we have this black wash between the teeth on the original toy, as you can see. Let's look on the chest, rib cage. The fake version has this more blue-gray colors as a paint scheme, and more brown with very light blue or gray tones in this area. Okay, these blue and gray colors on the center of the stomach, more brown on the original, with a very good painting of vines in the same blue-gray color, but only the vines. Okay, let's look on the hips. You can see the difference in painting. left is original, right is the fake version. Okay, difference in painting of the knees. Okay, the thighs, feet. Okay, from this side, left is original, right is the fake version. This area is painted very differently from the original. Okay, the hands. Yeah, there is pretty much blue gray color on the fake version, and this color is used pretty randomly on the original version. Okay, from the back you see this area is has more black and brown, and this has the fake version has these blue tones. The tubes are done pretty close, but here you can see this glossy black color on the original, and there is no such good glossiness in the fake version. Okay, here the butts. You can see my original toy has this QC painting, these paint scuffs, and under the paint you can see that there is a black plastic. So I don't want to harm my fake version because I'm going to sell it, but as additional information. Okay, here's difference in painting of hips, knees, thighs, feet. Okay, let's compare the tails. More black on the fake, brown and black on the original version. And last, what I wanted to tell you, on the left leg on the original we have this Neca symbols, as you can see, Neca 2017, and on the fake version on the left side of his butt there is no such information. So this is not even a bootleg, it's a real fake version. Which one you should choose? I think you should definitely find an original toy if you're a collector. But this fake version is pretty good, very interesting paint job. It really differs from the original toy. But its joints are pretty loose, but the material is pretty stiff and harder plastic, I think. So for the difference in price, it's a pretty good choice too if you need this mold. So this is Andrew from Moscow, thank you for watching and goodbye.